On the bench, we have Nathan and Asibo, number 1, Daniel Johnson, number 30, Odinaka Edgar, number 16, Bobu Afolabi, number 17, Oluka Ingo, 20, Adebayo Odumosu, number 4, Taiwo Odibelaye, number 9, Echeta Deputy, number 36, Efe Agama, number 8. That's the end of the first half of this match. Match the 20 of the Nigerian National League between Bendel Insurance Service Company have Bendel Insurance too. Ikorodu City, Bendel.
My people, this is TMC TV. My name is Omo Aluki Ajakaye. I know after they do it for TMC TV, we bring Tori when contain Mama, Papa, Brother, Star, everybody to make sure say our country go well. And right now, we're there for Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium for the week 20 of the Nigerian National League, where Bendel Insurance they play against Ikorodu City. This match don't mean anything for Bendel Insurance. Take off say they don't even qualify before the match. Take off say their opponent will be Gateway FC lose 3-1 to Vandross City earlier today. Right now second half of the match day now. Second half now they challenge for the match, and the match now 2-0. Goals from Echeta Deputy and penalty from Imade Osarakwe. Now give Bendel Insurance the 2 goals lead. Make una follow us as we give update for the match.
Happiness is an understatement. I'm so excited, and it's what we have prayed for, and it's what we have worked for, to be back to where we belong. Bendel Insurance do not belong to NNL, and we are now back to where our mates are, and even our juniors. We thank God today. I'm excited. I'm short of words. All I will say is that we give God all the glory that Bendel Insurance is back to NPFL, and by the grace of God, up will continue to go. No more coming down. We have come to stay in NPFL, and we'll be talking about titles, trophies, not going back to NNL because we don't belong there. We thank the coach and players for keeping faith and believing that it is possible. And I also want to thank the management team. Football is teamwork, and the teamwork has paid. And I think this also is a gift for the brand new Tier Rubber Sport Commission. They are just coming in within 1 year, and we are back to NPFL. So I want to thank the management team, the coach, all those that make this possible. Most importantly, God Almighty that have given us the victory. Just 2 matches to go. We are already in NPFL. That is how the champions play. We are champions.
I don't feel any differently from everybody. Just want to thank the state government, especially His Excellency the Deputy Governor, the management team, the players who rose up to occasion, and of course the supporters as well as the press. The whole town is happy, and not just being happy, this is what they deserve. We can't have an edifice like this and the state team is playing in lower division. So like you said, the team is going to do all it takes to try and also fight for every game that it plays. When you try for every game, you tend to win, and then you are there among those who are looking for honors.
I think first and foremost, like my guy, the DG said, we want to thank God, the Almighty Lord. But I think it's a teamwork. the team started working from day one, and you have 2 games to go. You are in the top level. And I said, we are like Leicester City. We are now in the top seat in the top league. We are going to win the league. That's our target. That's the next thing. We don't take second place. I think the coach have said it all. We'll wait. We reinforce the team, and the management is fantastic. I think the goal now is how to win the league, and we are going to put everything in place to win the league. And if you say it and it happens, then guess what? You are a sound thinker person. That's why we are saying it now. Our next motive now is to win the league.
Now the only option we will get with this, before the start of the season, they tell us the only thing we get now to go win them, to qualify. We don't get another chance. Now why they do us more? The state government actually is supportive. So now only the aim we will get, only the goal to enter in the fight to the end and promote to the NPFL. That's it. Yeah, we ought to. We beat everybody. Nobody will reach us. Now insurance now, and I saw what they do now. So we beat everybody. The game actually for NPFL next season are to win the NPFL, to go continental, and I be the aim, no excuse. As we don't start like this now, the doggedness, everything, I will carry enter NPFL, no excuse. We go beat everybody, no excuse. Now Premier players there now, and the government they support well, so no excuse. We don't even get excuse. Anybody will come, we chop on.
I feel so good though. We don't go NPFL now, we are happy. You can see everybody is happy. From the management to us players. All of us, we are happy say we don't go EPA. Yes, I expect I will score the goal, because that's what we'll be practicing in training. Every time we go in training, we learn it, set pieces, how we can run so that we can get the goal. And today the team came, I took the chance and he went inside the net. It means a lot too. It means a lot. Like, I'm so happy being involved, being among the players that their name will be here in Bendel Insurance. I'm so happy.
My people, this is CTMC TV, and right now behind us, now Jibulat, Bendel Insurance players, Bendel Insurance fans, and the Deputy Governor. They happy say Bendel Insurance don't come up for Nigeria National League where some people sabi as NNL. Don't go the Nigeria Professional League, and there they go kickstart the new season. So play big things like Enyimba of Aba, Kanu Pillars, and other big things. This is CTMC TV. My name is Omar Ajakai.